Well on people, so the video is going to be on Ishawna. So Ishawna has found a different alternative of keeping her money flow going, because since the quarantine, or you want to call it lockdown, you know, certain places are not opened. I don't know how them have it in Jamaica. I know for here in the States, you have certain places where it can be more than 10. For me, where I work, it can't be more than 50 and you have to be spaced out. So she have a subscription service where I think it's called Fans Only, and it's on, I think, Snapchat, and she's charging $19.99 monthly if you want to run it off to 20, where she give you exclusive content, whether it's music, picture, or look here and there videos. So some people see it and say, wait, I shall not charge $20 for seller, and she posts this in response.
Bitch, I got beef with being broke. I don't give a fuck about you, or you. I don't give a fuck who you're fucking. I don't give a fuck if you want to fuck Wayne. Bitch, Wayne could fuck you right in front of me. I wouldn't give a fuck. Like, I don't care. I'm trying to be rich, bitch.
Yes, before I go further, Ishawna answering to these, whether they're fans or they're trolls or they're people who don't want to put these on her page because they don't want to be blocked. She's responding to who is writing it on Tropics. So she responds to people on Tropics now, because they were saying, all right, then we're going to screenshot it or we're going to record it because I have $20. So, you know what I mean? So she came back and she wrote on her page, to anyone contemplating to screen record or screenshot my content, just so you know, OnlyFans.com will alert me if someone does this. And if so, your asses will be blocked. So screenshot with caution. But then again, what me want to say is, even most people, common sense, if them don't want to screenshot it or them don't want to screen record it, somebody can use one phone and record it over the other phone and willing for do. At the end of the day, if you don't have the money, then don't complain. At the end of the day, she have food, she have her son, she have bills to pay, and she have other things to do. Say, if this is her way and this is her price, and that is her price. You can't tell her, say, but Netflix, she's not Netflix. She's an entertainer, and she'll go by what she thinks she would have make for the month based off that money, depending on how many people actually subscribe to the service. So, yeah, if you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe. But don't take away our content for free and make the others suffer.